Hello, everyone. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to explore the intricate process of growing and harvesting mangoes in Australia, a country renowned for its advanced agricultural practices and premium quality produce. Let's delve deeper into each stage of this fascinating journey and uncover more specifics about this beloved fruit. Australia boasts ideal tropical and subtropical conditions, making it a prime location for mango cultivation. States such as Queensland, New South Wales, and the Northern Territory are particularly favored for their conducive climate and fertile soils, which promote robust mango tree growth and fruit development. Selecting the right mango varieties is a pivotal step in the cultivation process in Australia. Among the most popular varieties are Kensington Pride, locally known as Bowen mango, celebrated for its rich sweetness and aromatic flavor profile. The R2E2 variety is favored for its high yield potential and consistent quality. Planting typically commences in spring, capitalizing on ample sunlight and warm temperatures to stimulate vigorous growth. Australian mango farmers employ meticulous care practices, including the use of advanced irrigation systems to deliver precise water and nutrient management. Regular fertilization regimes ensure optimal soil fertility, fostering healthy tree development and maximizing fruit yield. The safeguarding of mango trees against pests and diseases is paramount. Integrated pest management strategies are employed to minimize chemical inputs while effectively controlling harmful insects and diseases. Weed management techniques are also implemented to maintain clean and productive orchards, ensuring unhindered growth and development of mango trees. The mango harvesting season spans from November to March, varying slightly depending on specific regional climates. Harvesting is a labor-intensive process carried out by skilled workers who carefully hand-pick ripe mangoes to avoid damage. This hands-on approach not only preserves the fruit's integrity but also upholds its premium quality, ensuring that each mango reaches consumers in optimal condition. Immediately after harvest, mangoes undergo meticulous sorting, grading, and packing procedures to maintain freshness and quality. Rapid transportation networks facilitate swift delivery to domestic markets and international export destinations across Asia, Europe, and North America. Australian mangoes are prized for their exceptional sweetness, juicy flesh, and minimal fibers, reflecting the meticulous care and dedication of Australian growers. Mango cultivation holds cultural significance in Australia, dating back to early settler days when mangoes were introduced from Southeast Asia and India. Today, mango festivals and celebrations are held annually in regions like Bowen, Queensland, showcasing the diversity and excellence of Australian mango varieties. Economically, mango production contributes significantly to the agricultural sector, generating employment opportunities and supporting rural communities across the country. Australian mango growers are at the forefront of innovation in sustainable farming practices. Many orchards implement renewable energy sources such as solar power to reduce carbon footprints. Water conservation techniques, including drip irrigation and mulching, are widely adopted to optimize resource use and mitigate environmental impact. Research and development efforts focus on breeding disease-resistant varieties and improving post-harvest technologies to extend shelf life and enhance market competitiveness. Despite its favorable climate, Australian mango growers face challenges such as extreme weather events, fluctuating market demands, and labor shortages during peak harvesting seasons. To mitigate these challenges, industry associations collaborate with government bodies to provide training programs, financial assistance, and infrastructure support to enhance resilience and sustainability in mango production. Looking ahead, the future of mango production in Australia appears promising with ongoing advancements in technology and sustainable practices. The industry continues to expand its global footprint, capturing new markets and increasing export volumes year after year. With consumer demand for nutritious and flavorful fruits on the rise, Australian mangoes are poised to maintain their reputation as premium quality produce in international markets. In conclusion, growing and harvesting mangoes in Australia represents a harmonious blend of passion, innovation, and dedication to excellence in agriculture. The cultivation of this iconic fruit not only enriches Australia's agricultural heritage, but also contributes significantly to global food security and economic prosperity. We trust that this detailed exploration has provided you with a deeper understanding of the mango production journey in Australia.
And next, we'll take you on a special journey, exploring the vast strawberry fields of California, where these sweet, juicy berries have become a symbol of purity and freshness. Under the vast blue sky and warm sunlight, we'll delve into the dedicated and often silent work of the farmers here, who pour their heart and soul into every strawberry plant to bring about bountiful harvests that captivate so many. Right from the start, you can feel the meticulousness and care in the work of the gardeners here. The best strawberry roots are carefully selected, handled like precious gems. These seedlings mark the beginning of a long journey, where every drop of sweat and passion from the farmers will blend with the earth and sky, eventually blossoming into beautiful flowers and, soon after, sweet, luscious strawberries. On these vast fields, workers diligently prepare each bed with the aid of machinery. The soil is meticulously plowed, and the beds are raised, ready to welcome the strawberry plants that will soon be planted. Each layer of soil is carefully treated, creating the perfect environment for the strawberry plants to thrive. California, the heart of America's strawberry industry. With 38,000 acres of strawberry farming as of 2023, California is not only the largest strawberry producer in the country, but also the place where the fresh, sweet taste of strawberries has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. Remarkably, 2/3 of this area is concentrated in the Santa Maria region, a land blessed with ideal climate and soil for strawberry cultivation. Imagine, thousands of strawberry plants are ready to be planted, ready to embark on a new journey to bring joy to so many. In the warm sunlight of mid-August, the planting process is in full swing across the strawberry farms in California. This is the moment when all the farmers' hopes and hard work are invested in these small strawberry plants. With over 12 different varieties of strawberries being produced here, each with its unique growing and harvesting times, you can always find fresh strawberries whenever you visit California. Planting strawberries isn't just work, it's an art, a perfect blend of human skill and nature's gifts. Once the planting is done, the irrigation system is immediately set up to ensure the plants receive enough water. Strawberries are delicate crops that require regular watering, especially during the fruiting season. Each day, a strawberry plant needs about 2 inches of water to maintain its vibrant growth. This irrigation system isn't just a technical tool, it represents the farmer's dedicated care for their crops, much like how they would care for their own children. Time passes, and the relentless efforts of the farmers begin to pay off. After about 2 to 3 months, the strawberry plants start to bloom. These small, pure white flowers signal the approach of a successful harvest season. When the first flowers appear, millions of honeybees are brought to the farms to pollinate them, ensuring that the strawberries are properly fertilized and grow perfectly. These hardworking bees, tirelessly buzzing around, are the trusted partners of the farmers, playing a crucial role in ensuring the plants bear fruit. And then, the moment everyone has been waiting for, the ripe red strawberries shining bright among the green leaves. This is when the skilled hands of the workers begin harvesting, carefully picking each strawberry and placing it gently in the baskets. Harvesting is not just about physical labor. It requires precision and care to ensure each strawberry remains intact and full of flavor. Each year, around 60,000 workers, mainly from Mexico, come to the strawberry farms in California to work. They are the ones who bring these bountiful harvests to life, contributing to the sweet taste of California strawberries. According to 2023 statistics, California's strawberry production reached an impressive 1.2 million tons, accounting for 93% of the country's total strawberry output. With such massive production, it's no surprise that the strawberry industry generates annual revenue of up to $2.5 billion. These numbers not only reflect economic success, but also stand as a testament to the unwavering efforts of everyone involved in the production process, from the growers to the harvesters. But the work doesn't stop there. Whether rain or shine, the strawberry harvest continues undeterred on these farms. The light drizzle doesn't dampen the spirit of the farmers. Instead, it seems to amplify their dedication and perseverance. As the season comes to an end, the beds are cleared and prepared for the next crop, which will start in just a few weeks. This cycle is like an endless loop, where nature and humanity together write stories of growth, hope, and resilience. And that's the story of strawberry farming and harvesting in California. From the initial seedling preparation, soil care, to the joyous and energetic harvest days, every step is filled with dedication and love for the work these farmers do. How do you feel about this process? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. At the end of the video, we'll take a look at the strawberry harvest in Florida, the second largest strawberry producer in the United States. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more exciting videos. See you in the next video.